advertising sales agents. Career, salary, and education information. What they do. Advertising sales agents sell advertising space to businesses and individuals. Work environment. Advertising sales agents work under pressure to meet sales quotas. They work in a variety of industry sectors, including advertising agencies, radio, TV, and internet. How to become one. While a high school diploma is typically sufficient for an entry-level advertising sales position, some workers prefer bachelor degree applicants. It is important to have sales and communication skills. Salary. The median annual wage for advertising sales agents is $53,310. Job outlook. Over the next 10 years, the employment of advertising sales agents will be reduced by 6%. Increasing internet and television advertising sales will not offset the decline in advertising activity in print newspapers. Important qualities for advertising sales agents. Communication skills. Advertising sales agents must be persuasive during sales calls. In addition, they should listen to the client's desires and concerns and recommend an appropriate advertising package. Initiative. Advertising sales agents must actively seek new clients, keep in touch with current clients, and expand their client base in order to meet sales quotas. Organizational skills. Agents work with many clients, each of whom may be at a different stage in the sales process. Agents must be well organized to keep track of their clients and potential clients. Self-confidence. Advertising sales agents should be confident when calling potential clients, making cold calls. Because potential clients are often unwilling to commit on a first call, agents frequently must continue making sales calls, even if rejected at first. Thanks for watching. To get the latest videos related to career and education, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.